Good evening or good day, the other parts of the world. And today I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress using Xampp on a Windows PC. And of course, we're going to do the manual installation. And of course, I'll also add another video doing the automatic installation. But for now, let's just do the manual installation. First, go to apacheandfriends.org. I already have that saved on my browser. And then download this one for Windows. And I already have downloaded it. So if for you, you have to save file and then wait for it. The next step is to locate the installer, which is on downloads. Oh, I place it on the desktop, and then Apache. Okay, Xampp WordPress thingy. Double click, click on yes. And if this shows up, just click OK, and then click on next, and then uncheck everything except phpMyAdmin, PHP, MySQL, and Apache. And then just a bit of explanation. We left phpMyAdmin checked because we are going to install it manually. But for automatic installation, we will not be needing that. But for this demonstration, we will leave that checked. And then click on next, and then click on next. So it will be installed on C, and then Xampp folder. Then next, and then leave it as English, and then click on next, click on next. Oops. So a browser will pop out, redirecting you to their website because you click on show tips. And for now, while it's installing, let me just pause the recording because my PC will try to restart in a while. Okay, so I encountered a bit of a problem. So my computer just forced restart when I was installing. Just cancel the restart option and then go back to your installation process. Okay, so once you're done, just click on finish, and it will redirect you to the control panel. So here, if you're seeing this or you already pre-installed Xampp, before you watch this video, just run it and then click on start on Apache and start on MySQL, and then go back to your browser. Once you're in your browser, let's now download WordPress. So go to wordpress.org and click on the Get WordPress button on the right hand corner of the website, and just scroll down and click on the download WordPress, and it will ask you to save it. So I already have it, so I'll cancel, but for you, you have to click save. Now close this window, and let's go to let me just close these ones. We will not be needing those. Now go to the WordPress file and then right click and extract here. Okay, once you're done, rename that one to whatever you want. So your name Jher. Okay, and then copy it. Do not cut, just copy. You can just delete it later if you don't like it to be in your desktop. So go to to your C where you installed Xampp, and then click on Xampp folder, and then locate HDocs. So if it's too small, let me just enlarge. Oh man, still the fonts are small. Never mind. So locate HDocs, this one, double click it, and then paste here your WordPress folder. So we'll rename it to Jher, right? So Jher will be pasted here in HDocs folder. Once you're done, you just close this and go to your browser. So go to localhost and then slash Jher, I think. Yeah, that's the name of the folder that we place in the HDocs. So whatever name you place there, that will be the one that you will be typing. So once you see this one, just leave it English and then continue, and then let's go. Okay, so here the next step is to open new tab on your browser and then type in localhost. And on the right side corner, click on PHP My Admin. Here, this process, we're just creating a new database. So let's just create new and maybe name it Lodi. Okay. And whatever name you will put, just play it safe. Don't add spaces. And then click on create. So the database has been created, and of course I forgot to tell you, you have to take note of the database name. So it's Lodi, and let's go back here where the WordPress setup is taking place. So we named our database Lodi, right? So for you whatever you name your database in the phpMyAdmin, put that here. Make sure that all the characters that you input are the same with the database name that you just created. And for the username, put in root, okay? It should be root, nothing else. And then on the password, leave that blank and leave this by default, the other two. And then click on submit and then click on run installation. Okay, give your website a name, a title. So I'll name it Lodi Cakes, and your username, admin, whatever. But for me, I'll make it admin because that's how WordPress does it for default installation. So for password, I like it to be the same as admin, WP admin 2022. Okay, WP admin 2022. So it's admin WP admin 2022. Okay, I'll have to give you a tip. Always remember to put it on Notepad, whatever you placed in your database and whatever username and password you placed. And then use your email address, the real email address that you're using, and then click on Install WordPress. Now, click on login, type in admin, whatever username you created, and then WP admin 2022. Yep. And then click on remember me if you don't want to keep repeating all the time. Okay. Then click on login. And congratulations, you have WordPress installed in your PC. So to check this website, just right click this one on the left side corner, open link, new tab, and voila! Congratulations, you just made your first WordPress website. Thanks guys for watching my tutorials, and I hope you learned something today. If you love this video, click on the like button, or if you think your friends need this one, share it to them, and of course subscribe for more WordPress tutorials in the future.